Good Saturday afternoon. This is video part 2. And actually we're going to go ahead and put it up for sale as is. It does have a VIN number. It'll be a bill of sale. It is a 48 Chevy truck. Has a 54 235 in it. Haven't got the hood springs into it yet. So it is a 54 235. It is a farm truck. It's 4 on the floor. Has a later model GM seat in it. So I do have the running board too. I do have the running boards. The running board brackets are on their way. I was surprised I didn't get them yet. It is an old farm truck from Utah. So it has a good heavy duty Barden bumper on it. A farmer made spare tire. It is drum brakes. It appears the brakes that might have been done. We have not had a chance to inspect it. So I do not have a front bumper brackets. I do not have any of the glass for it at this time. I do have door glass for it. Doors open and close nicely, as you saw. So as it sits right now, I'm going to ask $5,000 or for it. The more work I do on it, the more the price we're going to have. 530-308-2533. 48 Chevy truck with a 4 on the floor, which is a 3 with a granny gear.